హాయ్ పూజ.
హాయ్, హవ్ యూ?
ఐమ్ గుడ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను. బాగున్నాను.
yes exactly right. So I mean సైమాకి వెళ్తున్నారు కదా, దట్ టు ఫర్ దుబాయ్. సో ఆర్ యు ఎక్సైటెడ్?
Very excited actually. Very excited because actually I'll even be going back to Dubai after very long, and it's my first time at Saima. So first time performing ever. So very nervous. Hoping I just don't fall.
డెఫినెట్లీ.
But yeah, and give a good performance.
సో లైక్ చాలా మంది చాలా థీమ్స్లో, అంటే చాలా మంది గ్రేట్ ఆర్టిస్ట్కి ట్రిబ్యూట్గా కూడా థీమ్స్ తీసుకొని డాన్స్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. సో ఆర్ యూ ప్లానింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ కైండ్?
It's like not even sunk in yet ki I'm performing on, Saima. And in fact, when Shreya was talking earlier about themes, I have no idea. I think in some time I'm going to kind of put my mind together and figure out what I'm going to do. And let's see.
Yeah, like so if you have to dance like some other senior artist or something like that, so which actress you would prefer?
I think Sridevi is done, right? That's what they're saying. So maybe Aishwarya. I like Aishwarya. And she's done quite a bit of Tamil films and, a mix. So let's see.
So like you have done Telugu films, and also how about other languages? Are you really looking forward for them, like Kannada, Tamil and all?
Yeah, soon. I mean, as soon as I'm done with my Hindi film, I'm going to figure out what's next.
Yeah, pretty well. So how about Saima? Like you've been into press meet and all, and you've been into their preparations and all. So what do you feel now about Saima?
So, like, everyone always talks about Saima. It is like the most popular award function show, and everyone tells me that it's like a retreat. It's fun. It's a retreat. It's fun. It's exciting. So I myself want to go witness that. More than anything. Yeah. So let's see.
Yeah, you're looking very excited. So how about your press meet today? So a lot of questions and all. So did you enjoy it?
Yes, of course. I mean, like, I always get asked the most, like, awkward questions. But, yeah, it was good. Now, there was a lot of mention about an after party, so I'm going to go head there now, yeah.
Oh, well, right, true. So again, coming back to the performance, if you have to like perform with some other co-stars and all, so whom would you prefer? Like any other actress, like?
No, I don't know. I mean, my co-stars have been Chaitanya and Varun, so maybe I'll perform with one of them.
Oh, very nice. So then we will look forward for it.
No,
now we are
this time
excited.
I'm not, but if I had to, like, to answer your question, this time I'm not.
Okay.
But yeah, if I had to, like you said.
Anyways, all the best for your performances and have fun. And thanks for this.
much.
Thank you.
It's my second time at Saima. My first year was last year where I performed, but this is my first year where I'm nominated. So I'm performing again this year. Honestly, till I performed last year, no one knew that I could do Masi numbers, and I did a tribute to all the heroes, from Mahesh Babu to Allu Arjun to Ram Charan to NTR, Ravi Teja. Those were my lineup. So I'm waiting to see my songs this year. I've not started rehearsing yet. Hopefully I can outdo myself.